Start at the very beginning. What exactly is an oscilloscope? This essential electronic instrument is used to visualize electrical signals, allowing us to see how voltage changes over time. Think of it as a window into the invisible world of electricity, making it possible to analyze waveforms, measure timing, and troubleshoot circuits. Whether you're an engineer, a student, or a hobbyist, understanding oscilloscopes opens up a whole new realm of possibilities in electronics. In this video, we'll explore how oscilloscopes work, their key features, and practical applications, guiding you from the basics to more advanced concepts. Oscilloscopes have a fascinating history that dates back to the early 20th century. The first oscilloscopes were analog devices using cathode ray tubes to display signals. Over the decades, these instruments evolved, becoming more compact, accurate, and versatile. Today, digital oscilloscopes dominate the market, offering advanced features like data storage and signal analysis. This evolution reflects the rapid pace of technological advancement in electronics, and understanding this journey helps us appreciate the powerful tools we have at our fingertips today. Every oscilloscope, regardless of type, shares some core components. The display screen is where waveforms are visualized, while input connectors receive the signals you want to measure. Inside, there's a vertical system for amplifying signals, a horizontal system for timing, and a trigger system to stabilize the waveform. These components work together seamlessly, allowing users to capture and analyze even the most complex electrical signal. Understanding these building blocks is key to mastering oscilloscope operation. Oscilloscopes come in two main types, analog and digital. Analog oscilloscopes use cathode ray tubes to display signals in real time, offering a smooth, continuous view of voltage changes. Digital oscilloscopes, on the other hand, convert signals into digital data, enabling advanced features like storage, analysis, and remote monitoring. Each type has its strengths, but digital models are now more common due to their versatility and precision. Knowing the difference helps you choose the right tool for your needs. Display screen is the heart of any oscilloscope. It's where you see the electrical signals come to life as waveforms. Modern digital oscilloscopes feature high-resolution color displays, making it easier to distinguish between multiple signals and analyze details. The grid on the screen, known as the Graticule, helps you measure voltage and time intervals accurately. Mastering the display is essential for effective signal analysis and troubleshooting. Input connectors are where you plug in probes to feed signals into the oscilloscope. Most oscilloscopes have multiple channels, allowing you to compare different signals simultaneously. The quality of your measurements depends on proper connection and probe selection. Understanding how to use input connectors ensures accurate readings and protects your equipment from damage. Vertical system in an oscilloscope controls how the input signal is amplified and displayed on the screen. It determines the amplitude or height of the waveform. By adjusting the vertical scale, you can zoom in on small signals or fit larger ones within the display. This flexibility is crucial for analyzing signals of varying strengths and ensuring precise measurements. Horizontal system manages the time base of the oscilloscope, controlling how quickly the waveform moves across the screen. By adjusting the time scale, you can observe fast or slow events in detail. This system is essential for capturing transient phenomena and analyzing timing relationships between signals. Mastering the horizontal controls gives you a clearer picture of your circuit's behavior. Trigger system is what stabilizes the waveform on the oscilloscope display. Without proper triggering, waveforms would drift across the screen, making analysis difficult. By setting the trigger level and mode, you can lock onto specific events, such as a rising edge or a particular voltage threshold. This feature is vital for capturing and analyzing repetitive or rare signal events with precision. Probes are the bridge between your circuit and the oscilloscope. Choosing the right probe is crucial for accurate measurements. Passive probes are common for general use, while active probes are used for high-frequency signals. Accessories like probe hooks, ground leads, and adapters further enhance measurement capabilities. Proper care and calibration of probes ensure reliable results every time. The core of oscilloscope use is waveform analysis. A waveform is a graphical representation of how voltage changes over time. Common waveforms include sine, square, and triangular waves, each with unique characteristics. Understanding these shapes helps you diagnose circuit behavior, identify faults, and optimize performance. Recognizing waveform patterns is a fundamental oscilloscope skill. One of the primary uses of an oscilloscope is measuring voltage. By observing the vertical axis, you can determine the peak, average, and RMS values of a signal. Accurate voltage measurement is essential for troubleshooting, verifying circuit operation, and ensuring safety. Oscilloscopes make it easy to visualize voltage fluctuations and spot anomalies at a glance. Oscilloscopes excel at measuring time intervals and signal frequency. By analyzing the horizontal axis, you can determine the period, frequency, and duty cycle of a waveform. These measurements are crucial for timing analysis, signal synchronization, and performance testing. With the right settings, you can capture even the fastest events with remarkable precision. Two key specifications define an oscilloscope's performance: bandwidth and sampling rate. Bandwidth determines the highest frequency the oscilloscope can accurately measure, while sampling rate affects how finely the signal is digitized. Choosing an oscilloscope with appropriate bandwidth and sampling rate ensures you capture all the details of your signals without distortion or loss. Vertical resolution refers to how finely the oscilloscope can distinguish voltage levels. Higher resolution means more detailed and accurate waveform displays, especially for small signals. This is particularly important when analyzing low amplitude or noisy signals, where subtle differences can reveal critical information about circuit performance. Memory depth is the amount of data an oscilloscope can store for each acquisition. Greater memory depth allows you to capture longer time periods or higher resolution data, which is essential for analyzing complex or long-duration signals. This feature is especially valuable in digital oscilloscopes, where large datasets can be reviewed and analyzed in detail. Modern oscilloscopes offer advanced triggering options such as pulse width, video, and logic triggers. These features let you capture specific events or patterns within complex signals, making troubleshooting faster and more effective. Advanced triggering is a powerful tool for engineers working with digital circuits or mixed signal environments. Many digital oscilloscopes include built-in math functions such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and fast Fourier transform (FFT). These tools allow you to analyze signals in new ways, revealing hidden patterns or frequency components. Math functions expand the oscilloscope's capabilities beyond simple waveform viewing, making it a versatile analysis tool. Automatic measurement features save time and improve accuracy. With just a few button presses, you can measure parameters like frequency, rise time, fall time, and more. These automated tools reduce human error and make it easier to compare results across different tests or devices. Digital oscilloscopes can store waveforms and measurement data for later analysis. This feature is invaluable for documenting test results, sharing findings with colleagues, or comparing signals over time. Easy recall of stored data streamlines the troubleshooting and reporting process. Modern oscilloscopes offer a range of connectivity options including USB, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi. These features make it easy to transfer data, update firmware, or control the oscilloscope remotely. Enhanced connectivity supports integration with other test equipment and streamlines workflow in both lab and field environments. A user-friendly interface is crucial for efficient oscilloscope operation. Touchscreens, intuitive menus, and customizable layouts help users navigate settings and features quickly. A well-designed interface reduces learning curves and boosts productivity, especially for beginners or those working under time pressure. Regular calibration and maintenance are essential for keeping your oscilloscope accurate and reliable. Calibration ensures measurement precision, while routine cleaning and inspection prevent issues caused by dust or wear. Following manufacturer guidelines extends the lifespan of your equipment and maintains consistent performance. Safety is paramount when working with oscilloscopes and electrical circuits. Always use properly rated probes, avoid exceeding voltage limits, and follow safe handling procedures. Understanding the risks and taking appropriate precautions protects both you and your equipment from harm. Oscilloscopes are invaluable for troubleshooting electronic circuits. By visualizing signals at various points, you can quickly identify faults such as shorts, opens, or timing errors. This diagnostic power speeds up repairs and helps ensure your circuits function as intended. In the design and development phase, oscilloscopes help engineers verify circuit performance and validate prototypes. By analyzing waveforms, you can optimize designs, ensure compliance with specifications, and catch issues early in the process. This proactive approach leads to better products and fewer surprises down the line. Oscilloscopes are widely used in educational settings to teach electronics and signal analysis. Students gain hands-on experience by observing real signals and learning how to interpret waveforms. This practical training builds foundational skills for future engineers and technicians. In the automotive industry, oscilloscopes are used to diagnose electronic control systems, sensors, and actuators. By analyzing waveforms from engine control units or communication buses, technicians can pinpoint issues and ensure vehicles operate safely and efficiently. Oscilloscopes play a vital role in testing and maintaining medical equipment. Accurate signal analysis ensures devices like ECGs and defibrillators function correctly, safeguarding patient health. Reliable measurements are critical in this high-stakes environment where precision can be a matter of life and death. In telecommunications, oscilloscopes are used to analyze signal integrity, timing, and noise in communication systems. This helps engineers optimize network performance, troubleshoot issues, and maintain reliable data transmission across various platforms. Oscilloscopes are also used in audio engineering to visualize sound waves, measure distortion, and analyze frequency response. This capability helps musicians, producers, and engineers create high-quality audio systems and recordings by ensuring signals are clean and accurate. In power electronics, oscilloscopes are used to monitor switching waveforms, analyze power quality, and evaluate efficiency. This is crucial for designing and maintaining devices like inverters, converters, and motor drives, where precise timing and voltage control are essential. Oscilloscopes are indispensable for debugging embedded systems. By capturing digital and analog signals, engineers can verify microcontroller operation, debug firmware, and ensure system stability. Mixed-signal oscilloscopes are especially useful for these applications, offering simultaneous analysis of multiple signal types. Wireless communication systems rely on oscilloscopes for testing signal modulation, bandwidth, and interference. Accurate analysis ensures reliable connections and optimal performance in devices ranging from smartphones to industrial wireless networks. Portable oscilloscopes are designed for field service, allowing technicians to diagnose and repair equipment on site. These rugged devices combine the power of benchtop models with the convenience of portability, making them ideal for maintenance in remote or challenging environments. Selecting the right oscilloscope depends on your application, required bandwidth, number of channels, and budget. Consider factors like portability, connectivity, and available features. Matching your oscilloscope to your needs ensures efficient and effective testing. Several brands are renowned for their high-quality oscilloscopes, including Tektronix, Keysight, and Rigol. Each offers a range of models tailored to different needs, from entry-level to advanced research. Exploring these brands helps you find the best fit for your projects. Oscilloscope prices vary widely based on features, performance, and brand. Entry-level models are affordable for students and hobbyists, while advanced units can be a significant investment for professionals. Balancing cost with required functionality ensures you get the most value for your money. Future of oscilloscopes is bright, with trends like higher bandwidth, faster sampling rates, and enhanced connectivity. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being integrated for automated analysis and smarter troubleshooting. Staying informed about these trends keeps you ahead in the rapidly evolving world of electronics. Even experienced users can make mistakes with oscilloscopes, such as using the wrong probe, misinterpreting waveforms, or neglecting calibration. Being aware of these pitfalls helps you avoid errors and ensures accurate, reliable measurements every time. If you're new to oscilloscopes, start by practicing with simple circuits and signals. Learn to adjust the vertical and horizontal controls, set triggers, and interpret basic waveforms. Building confidence with the basics lays a strong foundation for tackling more complex measurements. A wealth of online resources is available for learning about oscilloscopes, including tutorials, forums, and manufacturer guides. These materials help users at all levels expand their knowledge, troubleshoot issues, and stay updated on the latest advancements. The Oscilloscope community is active and supportive, with users sharing tips, troubleshooting advice, and project ideas. Engaging with this community can accelerate your learning and help you overcome challenges more effectively. Oscilloscopes are powerful tools for visualizing and analyzing electrical signals. From basic waveform observation to advanced troubleshooting, they play a vital role in electronics, engineering, and beyond. Mastering their use opens up a world of possibilities for innovation and discovery. As technology continues to evolve, oscilloscopes will remain at the forefront of electronic measurement and analysis. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, staying curious and embracing new features will help you make the most of these indispensable instruments. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of oscilloscopes.